Alright, what's up guys, it's Khaiti from Trading. So I was trying to do this video live once again. This is going to be a video for the trading journal. Awesome. So I want to share one trade that I took. This trade was on last Thursday. And the reason why I'm showing a trade on Thursday is I didn't take any trade today on Monday. So I'm going to show one trade from last week. And this is going to be the first trade in my trading journal. So we'll have a chance to look at it and see exactly what happened. Now, I want to keep those videos really short because this is not full lessons. It's only going to be a trade example, and we'll get to it. So this trade, as you saw in the title of the video, is really happening in the Asian session, the Tokyo session more specifically. So whenever we trade a Tokyo session, it's going to start around 7 p.m. Eastern time. So what I'll do is I'll draw a line at 7 p.m. So at the start of the Asian session. Okay, this is going to be around here. Now, the way I looked at this trade is I identified first, and I'll remove this. I identified first a range before the Asian session. So the range was from here to here. So whenever I see a range, I'm right away thinking about breakouts. Okay, a breakout trade. And this is exactly what I've been looking for in that specific trade. So we identify the session, we look for a breakout trade. But I know that volatility is going to get higher only when the session starts. So that's what I'll look for. So I'll just scroll a little bit. And what happened is that the price, right after the open of the Asian session, started to go above, bounce, and then consolidate. See this nice consolidation that we had. This really shows uncertainty, right? The buyers are not stepping in the market, they're not in control. And the sellers are not in control. So it's kind of a between the two. But then if we get a break of that level at the highest point, then we really see that the buyers are taking control. Because they've been able to break one, this high here, and second, this second small high here. Okay, so this would really mean power. And this is exactly what happened on that trade. Okay, not long after, price went up and really went up quickly. So this is exactly the trade I took. And the way it works is I've been able to place mine 3 once we break, after candle close, once we break. Stop loss was below the low of this candlestick because this is a candlestick that break out of the range. So below this low. And then stop loss, I think that gave me a 203 to 1. So I'll just put it at 2. To see what happens. See, price went back down afterward, but I was still able to get a good reward on that. Yeah, so I exited at 2 to 1 reward to risk. Exactly there. So this is a trade. You want to see a consolidation, you want to see a break, and you want to have power in the break. You don't want to have just a small break and then, because oftentimes price is just going to go back down. Price is going to come here and then will crash. And then people are going to enter here right away and going to get excited, but they're going to miss the whole move. So you really want to take this seriously when you have a breakout. So I hope this video is valuable. As I said, it's really short. I think this has lasted for not even 2 minutes, maybe a little bit more. But the point here is to show my trade and to show what happened. So if you have any question on this trade, comment below, comment somewhere, and I'll make sure I reply to you. I'll make sure I do my best to help you out. And check out the Facebook group at thisarttotrade.com/group, and I'll add you there for free. It's totally free. So on that note, I'll see you soon. Ciao.